Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to our video. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's easy to understand and fun to learn. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. The first spoonful of Brazilian moqueca feels like a warm hug. Tender chunks of fish sit in a silky coconut broth, bright with lime, garlic, and herbs. Bell peppers and tomatoes add color, and the steam smells like the beach after a long day in the sun. At its heart, moqueca is a slow-cooked fish stew with coconut milk, peppers, and onions. It tastes rich, but it still feels light. It is naturally gluten-free, full of protein, and easy to adapt. There are classic regional versions in Brazil, like Bahian moqueca with coconut milk and dendê oil, and Capixaba moqueca, which is usually lighter. Here, the focus is an easy, home-cook-friendly version that uses common supermarket ingredients so you can bring that coastal comfort to your own kitchen. A quick look at Brazilian moqueca: origins, flavor, and key ingredients. From the Brazilian coast to your kitchen, a short history of moqueca. Moqueca was born along Brazil's coast, where the Atlantic meets long stretches of fishing towns. Fishermen brought home the catch of the day, and families cooked it slowly with peppers, onions, and local herbs in clay pots. The stew has roots in both indigenous and African cooking traditions. Indigenous people used local fish, fresh herbs, and simple pots. African influence, brought through the slave trade, added ingredients like dendê oil and new seasonings. Over time, these styles blended into the dish Brazilians love today. Two main versions are well known. Moqueca baiana, from Bahia in the northeast, usually includes coconut milk and bright orange dendê oil, which adds a deep, earthy aroma. Moqueca Capixaba, from Espírito Santo, tends to skip the coconut milk and uses annatto oil for a lighter, more tomato-forward stew. Even with these regional differences, the idea stays the same: a gentle fish stew cooked slowly so the flavors come together without much fuss. What moqueca tastes like and why it feels so comforting. Moqueca tastes balanced and cozy. The fish turns soft and flaky, soaking up a creamy coconut broth. Sweet bell peppers melt into the sauce with onions, garlic, and tomato. Lime gives a fresh tang, cilantro adds a bright herbal note, and a hint of chili, if you like heat, keeps each bite interesting. The broth feels rich on the tongue, but coconut milk keeps it lighter than a cream-based soup. Served over hot white rice, the sauce seeps into every grain. It works for a quiet weeknight dinner, yet it also looks impressive enough for guests, thanks to its bright yellow, red, and green colors in the bowl. Key ingredients for an easy Brazilian moqueca at home. You do not need rare ingredients to make a tasty moqueca at home. Focus on fresh fish and a few pantry items. Key ingredients include firm white fish such as cod, halibut, snapper, or tilapia, which holds its shape while cooking. Coconut milk for a creamy, slightly sweet broth. Bell peppers and onions for sweetness and color. Garlic and tomatoes for depth and savory flavor. Lime or lemon to brighten the stew. Cilantro for a fresh, green finish. Oil, usually olive or neutral cooking oil, to soften the vegetables. Thank you for watching part 1. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.